Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we break down the big financial topics to help you build wealth and live life on your own terms. Now, let's dive into something that's taking over the business world and changing the way we make money: artificial intelligence. What if I told you that the future of content creation and digital marketing isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter? In fact, businesses that leverage AI for content creation are seeing an average of 50% faster growth than those that don't. Intrigued? Let's get into the best AI tools for content creation and digital marketing, and how you can harness them to boost your income. Before we go any further, a quick disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. So, how can AI change the game for you? In today's digital landscape, content creation is more than just a nice-to-have. It's a must-have for any online business. But creating high-quality content consistently can be time-consuming and expensive. That's where AI tools come in, making it possible to generate exceptional content in a fraction of the time and cost. Plus, these tools are growing more advanced every day, and understanding how to use them can unlock serious opportunities for monetization. Let's start by breaking down the top AI tools you need in your arsenal. 1. Jasper. One of the biggest names in AI-powered content generation, Jasper helps you write everything from blog posts to email newsletters in record time. With its ability to adapt to your unique voice and style, it allows you to churn out high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Take it from Sophie, an online entrepreneur who used Jasper to scale her blog from 5,000 visitors a month to 50,000 in under 6 months. With its SEO-optimized content suggestions, she was able to triple her affiliate revenue in just 3 months. 2. Canva's Magic Write. Canva has long been a favorite for graphic design, but now its AI-powered Magic Write feature takes things to the next level for marketers. You can create engaging captions, blog posts, and even social media content quickly, all while staying on brand. Imagine this. Noah runs a small business selling handmade jewelry. He used Magic Write to generate hundreds of social media posts with minimal effort, leading to an organic 30% increase in engagement over just 90 days. Number 3. Copy.ai. Another powerhouse in AI content writing, Copy.ai is ideal for creating sales copy, product descriptions, and email campaigns. It's like having a marketing copywriter on demand without the hefty price tag. Olivia, a digital marketer, used Copy.ai to craft high-converting email sequences for a client's launch. The result? A 40% jump in sales compared to the last campaign. 4. SurferSEO. SEO is the backbone of digital marketing, and SurferSEO is here to help you optimize your content to rank higher on Google. It analyzes SERPs, competitor strategies, and your content, then generates recommendations to improve your SEO score. Liam, a content strategist, used SurferSEO to overhaul a client's blog, and within 2 months, traffic doubled, leading to a significant boost in affiliate commissions. Number 5. Pictory. For those of you who want to turn your written content into engaging videos, Pictory's AI tool can help. It automatically transforms long-form content into short, shareable video snippets. Henry, a YouTuber, used Pictory to turn his detailed blog posts into bite-sized videos for his channel, resulting in a 60% increase in watch time and engagement. Now let's talk about how you can make money with these tools. AI-powered content creation isn't just about saving time, it's about maximizing your income by scaling your efforts. Here's how you can do it. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning online. By using AI tools to create high-quality content, you can promote products more effectively and increase conversions. Whether it's through blog posts, email campaigns, or social media, AI lets you reach a wider audience and drive more sales. 2. Freelance content creation. If you're a writer or marketer, AI tools can help you scale your freelance business. Offering AI-boosted content services can allow you to take on more clients without sacrificing quality. Imagine being able to write 10 articles in a day instead of just 3, all thanks to AI. 3. Building your own brand. With AI, creating a personal brand becomes much easier. AI tools can help you write blogs, produce videos, and optimize your social media presence. Whether you're an influencer, entrepreneur, or business owner, AI can help you craft a cohesive brand message and boost your online presence, ultimately driving revenue through product sales, sponsored content, or digital courses. The beauty of these tools is that they allow you to automate the time-consuming aspects of content creation, freeing you up to focus on monetizing your expertise. So what's the key takeaway here? The best AI tools for content creation and digital marketing aren't just for big corporations. They're for anyone looking to create more, faster, and smarter. You don't need to be a tech genius or a content pro to get started. All you need is the right AI tool, and you can start scaling your efforts today. Which AI tool do you think will help you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you plan to incorporate AI into your strategy. And if you want to take your finances to the next level, this is just the beginning. We've got so much more to uncover. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll dive even deeper into the world of AI and digital marketing next time. If you found this content valuable, trust me, you'll want to check out the next video. It's packed with actionable insights to help you stay ahead in this ever-evolving digital world. Click the video on screen now. And remember, every step forward is a step toward building the financial future you deserve.